I had the door open a little bit, like a little crack, to see if he wanted to go outside. He was just laying there, and then I heard scratching, like if someone was scratching a chalkboard. I don't know if you guys remember that sound. Oh my god, it was like, who is doing that? It's this guy right here, and he opened the door, rolling over. He's over here scratching the door. He doesn't make up his mind either. He wants to go out or just lay there in the sun and roll around like a silly boy, getting dirty again. Someone's beeping. Is it your ride? Chad, are you gonna go outside or are you gonna come back in? Hmm? Silly boy, I see your tongue. Chad. Chandler. You got all kinds of stuff on your fur again. You're gonna get your paws stuck. Can you get up? Oh my goodness, look at this. Ugh, I have to get the brush. Got this debris off of him. You silly boy. What do you have to say for yourself? Hmm? Want a snack? That's probably what you want.